Bitget is launching Hamster Futures Coin, HMSTRBG, in pre-market trading to support the innovative GameFi project Hamster Kombat. Start time is June 21st, 2024, 800 UTC. And here are the key details. HMSTRBG won't be listed for spot trading. Pre-market trades of HMSTRBG will transfer to Hamster once its total supply is confirmed. The price and quantity of Hamster will adjust based on its total supply. For example, if you buy 5,000 HMSTRBG at 0.2 USDT, if Hamster supply is 100 billion, you will get 50,000 Hamster at 0.02 USDT each. If Hamster supply is 10 billion, you will get 5,000 Hamster at 0.2 USDT each. If Hamster supply is 1 billion, you will get 500 Hamster at 2 USDT each. If Hamster cannot be launched, Bitget will recall and cancel all HMSTRBG trades and compensate users for their time. Why Hamster Futures Coin? As the Hamster Kombat project team hasn't disclosed tokenomics, Bitget introduces Hamster Futures Coin as the representation token for pre-market trading. Its total supply is said to be 10 billion tokens. Now, this is the settlement package. After Hamster Kombat TGE, that is token generation event, when Hamster Kombat officially lists, Bitget will convert Hamster Futures Coin to Hamster tokens based on the actual tokenomics of Hamster Kombat. And that is it, guys. Stay tuned for more updates. Please hit the subscribe button. See you tomorrow.